Lamborghini living in the fast lane. A cocktail party to toast the first presence of Lamborghini at Milan Design Week. Automobili Lamborghini opened the doors on the evening of April 10th for a cocktail party at its Living in the Fast Lane exhibition, the interactive Lamborghini Lab that explains the meaning of avant-garde technology and design. The new Huracán EVO Spyder, presented at the world debut at the Geneva Motor Show, was also displayed as an interpretation of Lamborghini design and innovation. The exhibition space, designed as a route that allows visitors to immerse themselves step by step into the Lamborghini universe, was the venue for a welcome by Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Lamborghini, Stefano Domenicali.
Music has always given me a lot of joy. I think it's difficult sometimes to manage emotions in a piece. You always have to find the journey within the music, and as long as you set yourself on the right path, it's just an amazing experience. The tonal qualities of the violin, the colours are endless. It's something that has a depth of sound, a versatility, depending on what speed you're going at. We only have 4 strings, but really the range is limitless. My daily existence is amplified tenfold because of what I do. You can never finish learning something. You can never finish refining your craft. But I think if you get these sort of little fireworks along the way when you're performing, that's kind of satisfying enough as it is. My day is made 100 times better when I listen to music. Yeah, I'm just hooked on sound.